Hi, I'm Tracie Mahan. I'm a level 3 QHHT practitioner. What I find interesting about past lives is how we can go into another lifetime and discover things that happened in other lifetimes that we carried into this lifetime, and now we're feeling echoes of that in this lifetime. It's coming back, and we're repeating patterns, or we're having anxiety, stress, things that are unexplainable happening to us in this lifetime. And you can go into a past life and you can see where it all came from, and it can heal instantly through that. And I had my own experience with that. And that's what started my journey to helping other people, something that I knew would take me years to clear if I hadn't done it this way. I knew it would have haunted me maybe in my whole life. And I was able to clear it in a matter of minutes. And I thought, I gotta help people find ways to do this. What I like about QHHT is the practitioners take the time to get to know you, to know your story, to understand the patterns and the things that repeat in your life, and to be very present. And it just becomes this magical bubble where there's so much healing and so much growth and so much shifting going on. It's just an amazing technique that covers all the bases. You get to know each other, you get to go into alternate lifetimes and learn more about your soul and who you are and the journey you're on, and then you get to go find your answers to the most important questions, to the healing, to all of it. I had a young man come in. He was in his early 20s. We took him into his past life regression. He's in this little spaceship, and the spaceship would morph to whatever size he needed it to be. It was very much an energetic or very organic vehicle that could move and adjust. And then he goes and he lands on an asteroid. And I'm curious, why are you landing on the asteroid, right? And he says, I take all this information that I've gathered from all these other worlds and universes. He says, and I'm creating my own universe. Sitting in the room with him, I could feel the energy as he's seeing and experiencing making this universe. And then the best part of that whole thing is, and now that you made this universe, are you going to go explore it? And he goes, nope, I'm done. I'm just going to go back to source now. And it was just kind of the cutest ending to this extraordinary thing that was happening. And those are just some of the incredible things we hear about all the time, these other lifetimes that are not from this planet, and the extraordinary things that we've done, that we've learned, that we can experience. This part of the fascinating part of doing this work is it's not always about the healing journey. Sometimes it's about the expansion, and it's about the evolution, and it's about us all leveling up and remembering who we are.